In this video, we will learn how to use Dsum function in Excel sheet. So let's start this in my Excel sheet. I have here some data. So I'm going to calculate here quantity and amount as per the item. So here you can see all data here, all item name and quantity here and amount. So when I enter here keyboard, the total quantity of keyboard is automatically comes here and amount also by using the dsum function. So let's start how it's done. Is equal to dsum tab database means select the full table, full data, comma, then field. So which field we going to calculate? Quantity, criteria for item keyboards. Okay, bracket close. That's it. Here you can see all keyboard quantity is sum here 65, and same as if I enter here mouse, then quantity will change as per all mouse quantity will be 66. As same as amount also we calculate by using the dsum function. Select the first data base, comma, field amount, comma, criteria item, bracket close, enter. Here you can see total amount of mouse comes here. Now I am enter here keyboard and just enter it. Here you can see the quantity and amount will change as per the item. So here I am using the one criteria only. Okay, item. Suppose we have a two criteria and we want to find out the quantity and amount. So I'm using here the two criteria. I just copy this heading. Okay, if I using here a true criteria and calculate the quantity by using the dsum function, so we can do it. So just enter the is equal to dsum, bracket open, select the full database, comma, field quantity, column heading only select here, criteria here two criteria have item and company name. Before that we select here one criteria only item in this example. Okay, here I'm using the true criteria. Okay, so I select the item and company name, so bracket close. Here comes total quantity, so I just enter the item mouse and company name abc. Let's see, mouse abc is a 46. If I enter here mouse xyz, then quantities are different. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.